Robin Shure in Hairst, Robin cut grain in harvest. Robin Shure in Hairst, I sure wi' him, Fient heuk I, yet I stuck by him as I gaed up to Dunse, they warp a wab a plaiden at his daddie's yet. Wom at me but Robin Shure in Hairst, I sure wi' him, Fient heuk I, yet I stuck by him. I was not Robin bauld, though I was a Cotter, played me sick up trick, and me the Eller's dochter. Robin Shure in Hairst, I sure wi' him, Fient heuk I, yet I stuck by him. Robin promised me o' my winter vittle, Fient he had but 3 goose-feathers and a whittle. Robin Shure in Hairst, I sure wi' him, Fient heuk I, yet I stuck by him. So we have here is an old country dance tune called Robin Shure in Hairst, or Sheared in Harvest, whatever. It was printed in a book by James Oswald in 1753, and again by Robert Bremner with a different setting in 1769. This is Oswald's setting because Burns referred to it being in Oswald's and other collections. So let's go through it. Fient heuk, scarce a hook had I, or a sickle, yet I stuck by him. At his daddie's yet his father's gate, who met me but Robin. Wasn't Robin bauld, though I was a Cotter, cottager. Those were, in the U.S. we call them a sharecropper. They worked for their cottage and board. Poor people. Played me sick a trick, such a trick, and me the Eller's dochter. So he was the church elder. She was the church elder's daughter. So Robin promised me all my winter vittle. Fient he had but 3, who scarcely had 3 goose-feathers and whittle. Well, those were probably not in the old song, those lines. Burns was writing this, he was writing a version for a friend of his named Robert Ainslie, who was a law student in Edinburgh who grew up in Berrywell near Dunse, accompanied Burns on his border tour in the early summer of 1787. So the goose-feathers and whittle were tools of the solicitor's trade. He wrote to him from Edinburgh on the 23rd of August, 1787, as I gaed up to Dunse to warp a pickle yarn, weave a little yarn. Robin's silly body, he got me wi' bairn, he got me the child. Well, that probably line was not going to be published in the Scots Musical Museum. He sent Ainslie a new version on January 6, 1789. I'm still catering for Johnson's publication, and among others I have brushed up the following old favorite song a little. With a view to your worship, I have only altered a word here and there, but if you like the humor of it, we shall think of a stanza or 2 to add to it. And he essentially sent him what I sang you. He had ne'er a hook I had instead of Fient heuk had I. So that's about it. The tune is Rob Sheared in Hairst from James Oswald's Caledonian Pocket Companion, Book 5. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm working on a book of Burns songs and putting these up on YouTube for ear musicians.